Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a non-profit organization website using Wix. With Wix, you'll be able to create a website for free. So you're going to go onto wix.com and you're going to tap on Get Started. Once you have done that, you'll be prompted to enter your login information and you can sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account. After you're signed up, you're going to tap on Create New Site and you'll be redirected to a page just like this. On this page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat, and on the search bar, you're going to type in nonprofit. So you just want to type it in right here, nonprofit, and you can see nonprofit organization. You're going to tap on that. Then you'll tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you can enter in your website name. So for example, I'm just going to call it Test. Then we'll tap on Continue once more. After doing that, you can choose the apps that you would like to install. Obviously, you're going to want to install the donation app. This will allow you to collect donations with your website. You can also integrate the Instagram feed app, which will allow you to display pictures and video from your Instagram. If you would like to add a blog, you can do that by selecting blog, and you can also see different apps that you can quickly add. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Continue, then select Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're going to tap on Donations. After selecting Donations, you can create your first campaign. So you could tap on Create Campaign, then you could give your campaign a name. After giving your campaign a name, you can scroll down and you can select the donation frequency. By the way, you can also upload a cover image here for your campaign. And donors will be able to choose how often they want to donate. So you can see right there, you can choose the intervals, one time, monthly, or you would like to add weekly or yearly also, you can do that. After doing that, you'll scroll down and you can give donors suggested amounts to choose from. So for example, let's say between 10, 20, and also 100. And then you can scroll down and you can let donors enter their own amount. If you want this to be, you can leave it on or you can toggle it off. You can also select the minimum amount that you would like to receive, and you can set the maximum amount. So let's say the maximum amount will be $1,000. Then you can scroll down, and if you like to let donors add a note, you can toggle this on also. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save in the top right hand corner. So you can see that we have created our first campaign. After creating your campaign, if it is a case that you had added blog and you would like to create a blog post, you could select blog from the left hand menu option and you could select create new post and you can create your first blog. After doing that, you're going to simply go up to where you see getting paid. Once you have tapped on getting paid, you're going to tap on connect payment method. From here, you can provide numerous payment options depending on the country you're located in. But if it is a case that you want to do this for completely free, the only payment option that you can use on Wix and stay on the free plan would be PayPal. So you can connect your PayPal right here. So when persons give you their donation, it will automatically be added to your PayPal. Or you could set up a PayPal for the organization. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Set Up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site. After doing that, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. Once you have chosen Pick a Template, from here you'll be provided with numerous templates. So let me type in nonprofit real quick in the search bar, and then we'll see the different templates that they'll provide. So you can see different templates right here, whether you would like to select the women empowerment or charity organization, or you can scroll down and you can see different options that you can choose from. Now let's say for example I were to select this one, so we'll tap on edit. After selecting edit, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being composed in the background. Once it is up and running, I'll be showing you how to quickly edit it, as with Wix it is beginner friendly and easy to use. So all you'll need to do once it is up and running, you're going to close the pop-up box. So just give it a few more seconds to load up. You'll close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, then you can start editing your website. So for example, you could edit the text in the header section by selecting the text, then you could tap on change text and you could type in whatever you want. You can also change the icon or vector image that is currently there by tapping on the current vector image. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you could edit the background pic that is here and also the text by tapping on quick edit. Going over to the right hand column, you could tap on change. Then from there you can select image or video. After selecting image, you will tap on upload media and you could upload your own image, or you could select media from Wix, and from there you'll be able to use copyright free images. So let's say we were to use media from Wix, and I'm just going to type in non-profit. After doing that, you can see numerous options. I'm going to be selecting this one. So let's say this one. Then we'll tap on change background. After you have selected change background, you can see the background has been changed right there. Then you could scroll down and you could edit the title, and you can also change the text. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can continue making more changes. By selecting each text box, you can change the title and change the text of each section. It's as easy as that. And if it is a case that you would like to add something that you don't see on your website, let's say we would like to add a text right here, you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the plus, and you can drag and place any one of these elements quickly onto your website. And to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on the third icon from the top left hand corner, which is pages and menu. And from here you can see all of the pages on your website. So if I were to select event pages, I can select event details, and you're going to see the event details page right there. And from there you could choose to edit this page to your liking. So this is how it looks at the moment. Again, you can change the image. You can also change everything about it by simply selecting the sections. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish and your website will be live. So for example, if I were to select preview, you can see how it looks, and you could RSVP for this event by selecting it. Then you can enter in your name and email address. It's as easy as that to set up a non-profit organization website using Wix. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.